हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में। इन दिस वीडियो आई विल शेयर ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ बर्ड। I am a small bird. I came to this world from a small egg. My parents are my biggest strength. They taught me everything: how to fly, how to live in a tidy house. Holding their hands, I saw the bright light of this world and its magical environment. My parents taught me to be confident. They cared for me every day and kept me comfortable in a beautiful home. They hugged me in the dark of night under their feathers. They hugged me in the dark of night under their feathers. They taught me all the art, techniques of survival in daily life. The happiest day of my life, the day I learned to fly, because the life of a bird means to keep flying. Gradually, I learned to fly completely. Every day, I gained new knowledge, got to know myself and this beautiful world. The saddest day of my life when I left home. I set off for a new address, hoping for a new day. I had to go through a lot of pain and suffering, but over time I adapted to the new environment. I met other birds and formed new friendships. The dearest friend's name is Titu. We fly together all year round in different parts of the world. We have to take shelter in different regions in different seasons. The green forest of this beautiful world, the mountain full of trees, what a wonderful sight to behold. That is why I feel very lucky sometimes because I will get a chance to enjoy this beauty in this world as no other animal has. I really enjoy the ability to fly without hindrance, without hesitation. I am I am very blessed to be born a bird on earth.
अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर।